2022 home. WATERVIEW. Why wait to build when you can buy now? This gorgeous, meticulously maintained Lennar home is situated in the beautiful community of Sunstone Ridge Executives at South Fork and consists of more than 2,576 square feet. This home features a three-way split Santa Fe floor plan with 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, a flex room, a 3-car garage, and high ceilings, which gives a grand feel. As you enter the foyer, you will find 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom to the left. Just down the hall to the right, you will notice the laundry room and a 3rd bedroom equipped with its own full bathroom, which is just perfect for guests. As you step into the massive great room, an additional flex room is on the left and would make the perfect office space or playroom. The possibilities are endless. Natural light floods this open concept home and there is an abundance of space for entertaining guests. The stunning kitchen has granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a large walk-in pantry, a huge island, and plenty of cabinet space for storage. Above the dining table is a beautiful, modern light fixture that will be sure to catch your eye. Towards the rear of the home is the large owner's suite with a spacious walk-in closet. The vast backyard offers plenty of space for a pool, and you don't have to worry about rear neighbors. Be sure to check out all of the amenities this neighborhood has to offer, like the resort-style pool, a playground, basketball courts, a dog park, walking trails, and so much more. The community surrounded by shops, restaurants, and quick access to I-75, it's easy to see why this location is simply perfect. Vacant, easy to show,